How mango leaves prevent the blood sugar spike and lower the blood pressure. As the beloved mango season is in full swing, my clinic is seeing an influx of patients who cannot resist the sweet and juicy fruit. However, many of my diabetic patients express concern over the impact that indulging in mangoes may have on their blood sugar levels. Thankfully, I am able to offer them an unexpected solution: mango leaves. These often overlooked leaves can serve as an antidote for blood sugar spikes that can occur after consuming mangoes. Intrigued? Watch my informative video today to learn more about how to derive the maximum benefit from this natural remedy. Let's talk about the tannins and anthocyanins found in the tender leaves of the mango tree. So, they have the potential to help treat diabetes and other disorders in their early stages. The leaves could be air dried, then ground into powder, and they could also be brewed into an infusion to treat a variety of problems, not just diabetes. The most beneficial sections of the leaves are the delicate parts that are crimson or purple in color, but the older mango leaves, which are dark green in color, have a pale underside, can also be dried and used. These leaves contain a high concentration of vitamin C, B, and A. They also contain a wide variety of nutrients in high quantities. As a result of the high levels of flavonoids and phenols that they contain, they are rich in potent antioxidant qualities. Mango leaves are very useful for treating high blood sugar levels. So the tender leaves contain, like I said, tannins, which are also called anthocyanidins. These tannins help in the early treatment of diabetes. Additionally, it assists in the treatment of diabetic vascular problems and eye problems. We call them retinopathy. So mango tea, when you use the leaves, they're exceptionally beneficial for these purposes. To assist to reduce the symptoms of diabetes, also, you should soak those leaves in a cup of water overnight. You can filter them and later drink, and that will be actually an overnight tea. You can drink it next day as well. Or you can just boil it. The leaves contain another compound that I forgot to mention is beta-thyroxanol, as well as an ethyl acetate extract, both of which synergize with insulin to activate the GLUT4, which is a receptor that accepts the glucose. And it also helps create the glycogen in your muscles and your liver, which is the storage of glucose. We all know by now that COVID-19 does not discriminate. But as much as we would like to pretend we are all invincible, some people are more at risk than others, like my diabetic friends. And that's where Ada comes in. Who's Ada? Well, this is a sponsored video, which means I'm getting paid. Yay! Well, occasionally, right? Yet I'm passing the information to you unbiased, and I'm not collecting any commissions in my promotional videos. I think it's important for you to be aware of your options for your health. So I only take select sponsors on my channel occasionally. At the end of this video, if you think that is something that interests you, which I am sure it will, click on the link in the description where it says more, right? Or the pinned comment, which is at the top of the comments. So Ada is a global health tech company that has just launched a questionnaire that makes it super easy to find out if you are at risk of developing severe COVID-19. Yep, and all you have to do is answer a few questions and you will find out if you are at risk and if you are eligible for receiving treatment. And here's the best part. Ada's eligibility questionnaire is backed by the real deal. We are talking about doctors, healthcare experts who have sacrificed their sunny days to gain piles of medical knowledge. These are the folks who know their stuff, following guidelines from the CDC, NIH, and FDA. No sketchy info from the dark corners of the internet here, okay? It is legit, trustworthy, and reliable. Oh, did I mention the questionnaire is absolutely free? Yes, you heard me right. $0. Zilch. Nada. And if you are eligible for treatment, it won't break the bank either. Most importantly, if you are eligible, you can connect with a healthcare provider within 2 hours to get COVID-19 treatment with options to either pick up at your local pharmacy of your choice or delivered directly to your home, depending on what state you live. It is that convenient. If you are curious, and I know you are, click on the link in the description or the pinned comment. ADA's got your back on this health journey, providing you with fast, reliable, and affordable options. In the end, no one can guarantee that you won't get COVID-19. But by using ADA's questionnaire, you can take control of your health. So why not give it a try? Now, mango leaves have been also found to possess an anti-hypertensive properties, making them a promising treatment for high blood pressure. Now, these properties are crucial in treating also varicose veins, strengthening the blood vessels, both of which are significantly impacted by high blood pressure. Aside from that, mango leaves can also help in the treatment of kidney stones and gallstones. To use them, one can actually dry and grind the leaves, mix them with water, and like I said, let the mixture sit overnight. This can be consumed in the morning to help break up and flush out some stones. That will be nice, right? But here's the summary for you. Mango leaves offer potential health benefits that can support individuals in various ways, especially diabetics. The beneficial properties of these useful leaves can be extracted from the mango leaves through preparation of a tea. You can simply boil it or let it sit overnight in water. In order to accomplish this, you will need to wash 2 to 3 mango leaves well, okay? Now, cut the leaves into small pieces and place them in a cup of water. Bring the water to a boil, and the leaves should be boiled for around 5 minutes. Finally, if you or someone you know has been struggling with respiratory conditions, actually, you may want to consider giving them mango leaves. Let them try it. These leaves have long been believed to be effective treatment for a wide range of illnesses, and that includes common cold, bronchitis, or asthma. So by boiling the leaves in a water with a dash of honey or a sweetener and then drinking this concoction, you could be on the path to a speedy recovery. Plus, mango leaves are easily accessible throughout the year, making them an excellent natural remedy that you can rely on in the comfort of your own home. Well, in Florida, most of my patients have mango trees, so I don't know if you, but most of my patients do. So if you're looking for a safe and easy and effective way to deal with respiratory issues and diabetes and blood pressure, give mango leaves a chance. By the way, remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.